Hi, my name is Catherine Went with Syscon, and thanks for taking a moment of your time. Today I have an update for all our Sage 100 Contractor users, so if that's not you, thanks for checking in. We'll catch you next time. For the rest of you, I wanted to share with you a little bit about updates and enhancements and some guidelines on when to install them and when you might be able to wait. So first of all, Sage supports the latest 2 versions at any time. It's the first 2 digits of the version number. Right now it's 21 and 22. So those are the major release numbers. They'll support 2 at any one time. Next, they'll only provide enhancements and upgrades like for taxes and things like that for the latest version, not for both. And of course, they're trying to encourage everyone to be on the latest version. Better for them, and actually, more often than not, better for you too. When the first 2 digits are the same and the next number changes, it's considered a minor enhancement or perhaps a tax update. So in those cases, you can read through the information that's sent out with the reminder from Sage. It often has a set of notes about what's been changed, what the enhancements are, or what's included in the release. Look through those and you can ask yourself a couple questions. Is there a fix to a problem or a report that you've been waiting for? Install it. Is there an update feature that you've been waiting for that would really save you some time? Go ahead and install it. Is there a tax update that covers your state or your area and you need that in place? Go ahead and do that upgrade, of course. If it's not a fix for you, if it's not a tax update for your location, if it's not a feature that's going to save you any time and it's interesting but you're not going to use it, go ahead and wait if it's a minor release. Why would you wait? Why not put them all on? Here are some thoughts for you. When you do an upgrade, you need exclusive access, everyone out of the program. So that's a work interruption and one that you'll have to manage. Another reason is if you have Sage 100 Contractor installed in a local network, it has to be pushed out to each workstation. They've made that way more efficient than it used to be back in the day. But nonetheless, that update has to hit all of those computers, and you need to update all your data sets. And let me just re-emphasize all of those archives. So you just have a few extra steps to push that update out to all the archives. And those of you who have put the archives on a separate SQL instance, you need to point to that instance and run the update so that everything is on the latest version and accessible to you. So those are some of the guidelines. Those are some of the things you can use to decide whether to install a latest upgrade or not. And if you have questions, of course, please reach out. Whenever you're doing upgrades, circle in your IT person. Let them know you're about to do that so that if something goes wrong, they're not caught off guard, or perhaps they should even be the ones to do the upgrade, and then you can test it from there. Thanks for your time, and I hope you have a great rest of your week.